But a lot of times you have to crawl your way until you get to the walking part, until you get to the next stage. But guess what? Each stage,
Because most people want to start by sprinting.
yes,
That might not
and
be.
no, that's not no. And because they look at these people that made it in overnight.
That's what they think, though, but there's no overnight
Oh, they feel like
success.
they got this one viral moment, and so they're looking at that. Now they chasing that, and they don't understand Rome wasn't built in a day. It's by brick by brick by brick. I said this before. We want sustained success. What do it matter to have success, right? You get success, but you don't know what to do with it.
Right.
And a lot of people that go viral, that's why they go viral, don't know how to go viral again. That's why people that go viral, they don't have a backup plan. That's why they don't know what to do after they go viral. They don't have a business plan. They don't have a business behind it. Still don't know how to bring the people in. They don't know how to try.
They lose the moment.
Yes, and you get your 5 minutes of fame, and what happened? Now you're non-existent, out of sight, out of mind, because you don't know what to do with. So it's better to have building brick by brick, starting small, building up slowly, building that community, building up that tribe. We gave you a blueprint of Dave Chappelle, Cat Williams, Kanye West, Tyler Perry. Built it slow, built it slowly, build up their audience, build up their tribe, and guess what? When they build it up, now they're able to call the shots because they own the content. So yes, and stop bashing people. We're not helping anybody when we bash people. Yes,